Welcome to the Funnel Academy channel. I am so excited to introduce to you to our very first free course called the Funnel Academy Jumpstart. The Funnel Academy Jumpstart is your free course that you can access today that will teach you how to start your online business with absolutely no money. This course is 5 hours long. Do you have 5 hours to invest? There is no money investment required for this course. This course is completely free. All that I ask is that you invest 5 hours of your time. That's right. It's time to give up Netflix. Netflix does not give you any value. Netflix does not monetize the hours spent for you watching their movies or programs. However, this course can change your life in just 5 hours. It is a self-paced course, so you don't have to do all 5 hours all in one time. You can actually start at your own pace, at your own time, and watch the videos when you're ready to watch them. So let's go over what you will find in the Jumpstart course. First, we go through the introduction, and then I talk to you about why I created the course. And it's really to help people like you, people that don't know where to start, people that have heard about digital marketing and have seen all these numbers of courses all asking for money in exchange for you to start making money online. I'm actually have created this course specifically for people that are new, want to start digital marketing, and don't have $500 to invest. If this sounds like you, then I do have the link below. But let's continue and show you what else you will find in this course. So in this course, you will get an overview of digital marketing. What is digital marketing and getting started with digital marketing. Then I talk to you about finding your niche and how to determine what you should focus on. Then we go on into choosing your business name. Your name is your brand. What do you want to brand yourself? And this is all based on the niche that you decide to focus on. Then purchasing your domain. That is optional. This is an entirely free course. So purchasing your domain, I just talk about it in case you want to go that route, but it's completely optional. You can actually create your entire business for free without even having to purchase your domain, and I go over how. Then I go into creating your business logo. So now you know what your name is, what your business name is. It's time to create your logo, and I show you how and using free tools to actually create your logo. Then we go on to creating your digital product and how to create your digital product. I introduce to you to ChatGPT, which is a great source, and I show you exactly how to maximize that and get the results that you want because it's all based on what you put in. And I show you and give you tips on that. Then we go on to creating your digital product in Canva. I show you how to create a lead magnet and how to create your lead magnet in Canva. I show you the free platform that you can use to actually sell your product. So yes, there is a free platform. It's a great all-in-one tool. It's all that you need to get started with creating your online business, and I show you how to do that. I give you step-by-step instructions. You will not get lost with this course. I show you how to create your account. Then I even show you how to build your funnel. So you got your digital product, you're ready to sell. I show you how to create step by step, how to create your funnel, how to update your free subdomain if you choose to continue with the free subdomain, and tips if you decide to purchase a domain and proceed with a paid domain. The choice is all up to you. I go into how to create your squeeze page, your sales page. I even show you how to create your Stripe account because you do want to get paid. And I show you how to even connect that with System.io. And by now you're still wondering, is this really free? Yes, this course is really free. It's ready for you because I want to help as many people as possible starting with digital marketing. Then I go into how to update your order page, because now you have your product to sell, and you definitely want to be able to create your order page and start selling your product so that way you can get paid. And then I show you how to update your thank you page. And of course, I also show you how to test your funnel to ensure that all the automation that you have created is all working as it was intended. Then we go on to email marketing, because you want to follow up on any leads that you have. So I go into email marketing, how to set up your domain, how to set up your automation. And then after that, I show you how to scale and grow your business, and also some tips on how to start promoting your free product. Now, does this sound something that you would love to start? Again, it's a totally free course. Check the link below and go ahead. You can start instantly in a few minutes. After this video, you can start instantly and gain instant access, all for free. If you have any questions, please do not hesitate to comment below. I do read all of the comments. So if you have any questions, do not hesitate. And I look forward to seeing you on the inside.